A computational biology scholar is just like going into the wealth of biological data sets and extracting relevant knowledge to push forward the research which our PIs are working on. My lab seeks to understand brain wiring in the fruit fly. It's an interesting journey, a lot to learn, so many opportunities. It sometimes gets complicated. What I've enjoyed most is about the quality of the people I work with. We have seasoned professionals and experts, and they are ready to guide me, and they're going to provide me with every material I need to understand every challenge that comes my way. It's basically a one-to-one mentorship. Our learning this method is only going to take me one step up in my career pathway. I'll be confident of what I'm doing because the mentors have supervised me for every bit of the process. You need to push yourself to meet the standards at Stowers. It's the perfect place to be because you're going to meet the best people to work with, and most important, you're working with cutting-edge tools. There's just so much to learn. I'm discovering that I'm a resilient person because you need that to succeed in this program.